Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a gorgeous copper-colored 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This Cutlass has some 442 badging. We'll consider it a tribute. It is a convertible. Beautiful white interior. And the paint is shiny as all get out. It's a pretty car. Beautiful Olds, Rallies on all four with the beauty rims, and of course colored the same as the paint on the car. Very cool look. Powered by an Oldsmobile Rocket 350. Automatic transmission. Nice cold blowing air conditioning, that's factory air. Brand new aluminum radiator. It sounds good, it looks gorgeous, it runs great. Nice bright work front to back. 442 badging where it's supposed to be. It is a power top, and it goes down without a hitch. Power steering, four-wheel drum brakes, Alpine Stereo with aftermarket speakers for your musical enjoyment. Center console with shifter, nice white buckets. And it is just a gorgeous car. Has brand new digital gauges with it showing 1,546 miles. Beautiful 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Ready for the road right now. Sounds great, looks great. No brainer. Get in, turn the key, and go. It is a beautiful automobile. Please give us a call here at Cruisin Classics. We'll be glad to help you out with this car or any other cars or trucks that we have in stock. Go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out a bunch of pictures, this video, detailed information about this car and all the others that we have. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.